Right guys, so originally, as you're aware in the beginning of the film, the piece was supposed to be a bowl. Now, these are all new to me. I sort of came up with an idea in one of my other videos, probably about a month ago now actually. I released a video, I'll put a link up here for it. It was the Forest View bowl. That was my sort of initial idea, and I wanted to build on that idea and sort of progress with it. And this one was sort of the first trial run on sort of a series of bowls I want to do with the scenes inside them. So some of the mistakes, I thought I'd stop halfway through and just share some of the mistakes that I've noticed I've made along the way, which have caused me not to be able to turn this into a bowl. One of them being the piece of burr bowl that I used was too steep. So what it means is when I put the scenery on, like the trees and that, it's not going to allow me to turn into the bowl. Now I thought about doing an off-centered bowl, but where the blank's not very big, I would still hit some of the scenery on the side, and that would just mess it up completely. So what I thought I'd do with this one is turn it into a sort of table centerpiece. It's not sort of what I was aiming for with it, but rather than wasting the blank and sort of not being able to do anything with it, I thought I'd just turn it into something I can sort of look back on and think, well, yeah, that was my first one. So yeah, we'll carry on now. I know this film's a little bit longer than normal, so bear with it. And this one is trial and error, and hopefully I can take any of the positives and the negatives from this one, move it into my next one, which I've already got an idea of what I'm going to do. Alright, let's start the So guys, there we go. Not how I first intended the piece to be. I did want it to be a bowl, but again the burr was too much of a steep angle to the top, and with the scenery on it, it would have been cut away, which would have ruined it completely. So I thought I would go for like a table centerpiece with this one. It does need buffering up on a buffering wheel to clean it right up. Yeah, I'm a little bit disappointed, but it's trial and error. I mean, these blanks that I'm going to be making up, a lot more of them, and really trying to sort of make some really cool bowls and pots with the same sort of methods. But it's just trial and error. Until I get sort of, I can take some positives from this one, and I can also take some negatives from this one. But I hope you like it, guys. I know it's not the bowl that I intended it to be, but there we go. I will put some stills up at the end of the video. If you did like the video, guys, please hit that subscribe button and that like button. Really does mean a lot to me. And thank you guys for the subscribers that have come over to my channel. Also, I'm now on Instagram and Facebook. You can find the links down below. And that is it for this week, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you again next week.